Hi friends, welcome back to Urban Throttler. 2 months ago, around 17th of July, I uploaded my first video, it is linked above, where I showed all of you my stock Honda H'ness CB350. And now after 2 months, finally this bike is completely stage 1 tuned. It has Ngage Air Filter, the red Rooster Exhaust. It also has FuelX Pro Plus and Iridium spark plugs. In terms of look, as you can already see, it has the cafe racer kit with the headlight cover, the front mounts. It also has the HJG Aux Lights. We have the cafe racer seat and the seat cowl as well. Now this is something custom. We have removed the mudguard, the stock mudguard that Honda offers, and we have added another mudguard, the tail tidy with indicators and a proper LED light. Now a lot of you would have queries about this mudguard. This is a universal mudguard which a lot of sellers are selling it by naming it as specifically for Honda H'ness. This is a universal mudguard. All I have done is just added a lot of space in here so that it should not rub against the tire, and I've added it directly below the number plate so that the dirt doesn't go off. So this is how the bike now look. Please comment below if you want the specific link of this mudguard or the tail tidy. I will be creating another video talking about the price of each of these specific parts. In short, I've spent around close to 30 or 35,000 to get this whole modification, including red rooster, FuelX Pro Plus, Ngage Air Filter, then Aux Lights. This is the front look of the bike. Now I will also link a video showing the exhaust note, so you can check that out. This is the back look. To add, if anyone who is living in Delhi NCR and who wants to purchase any of these modifications, feel free to comment below. I will share the link of the workshop from where I got all of these parts. All these parts are usually available online, but people who are living in Delhi NCR can just drop a comment below and I will share the workshop details. From that workshop you will probably get a discount of 500 to 1000 rupees on every item, specifically on red rooster and on FuelX Pro Plus. Ngage Air Filter costed me around 3700, so you will only get a discount of maybe around 200 or 300 on that, not much. So yeah, this is all about the bike. I won't create a lengthy video, but feel free to drop a comment if in case you want to know anything specific about all these modifications. Thank you.